Unlock the secrets of ZNS. In the vast expanse of the Zetachain ecosystem, a beacon of simplicity shines bright. It's called ZNS Connect, a revolutionary decentralized naming service reimagining how we interact with blockchain. Welcome to ZNS Connect, the revolutionary naming system on the Zetachain blockchain. What is the purpose of ZNS, you ask? Well, ZNS stands for Zetachain Name Service, a revolutionary naming system that provides users with human-readable names for their blockchain addresses. Instead of struggling with complex alphanumeric addresses, users can now interact with the Zetachain ecosystem using simple, memorable names. So, toss out those complicated addresses and say hello to ZNS names. Why should you use ZNS? Because it's a breath of fresh air in the blockchain world. It operates on a decentralized network, offering you full control and security. ZNS replaces long, complex addresses with simple, memorable names. And the best part? It's fully compatible with Web3, making it a future-proof solution for digital identity. ZNS, designed for the future of digital identity. How to mint a domain on ZNS? It's as simple as visiting the ZNS Connect website. Once there, you'll choose a unique domain name that suits your style. The final step? Mint your chosen domain on the robust Zetachain blockchain. Minting a domain is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Ready to explore ZNS? Dive into the decentralized world, discover its features, and transform your Web3 experience. Explore the world of ZNS at znsconnect.io. Ready to join the ZNS revolution? Be part of the future and start navigating Web3 with ease. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Join the ZNS revolution.